talk about the types of risks. So there are mainly three types of risks: personal risks, property risks, liability risks. What is personal risks? Personal risks are those where the chance of loss arising from the person's own bodily injury, loss of life, or loss of income. For example, death, physical disability resulting from an accident or sickness, old age, unemployment. Property risk. Property risk are those where the chance of loss arising from the destruction of the property to the any property. In the property risks, loss are two types: direct losses, indirect losses. So direct losses are those involving damage or destruction of the property insured and in which affect the subject matter. For example, there is a fire in the house, and a fire was happened due to the smoking, and then the house was collapsed. In this case, the fire is the direct loss which damaged the house. And if we will talk about the indirect loss, losses occur because of the direct losses. For example, there is a fire in the house, and the fire was happened due to the smoking, and then house was collapsed, and the person was earning income from the rent of the house. If the house was damaged, the person is not earning any income. So in this case, fire is the direct loss which damaged the house, and loss of earning is the indirect loss which has occurred because of the direct loss. I hope you have cleared these points. So our third point is liability risks. Liability risks are those where the chance of loss arising from an individual's obligation to pay damages because of the injury or death of another or damage to another property. This obligation would based on primarily on the individual's negligent acts in the relation to his or her conduct, the operation of the automobile, aircraft, snowmobiles, truck, etc., and the ownership or occupancy of property, the manufacture of any product, the rendering of professional services.